Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm bringing you a cocktail tonight, a vodka cocktail. I've got some beautiful Kettle One vodka here we're going to showcase. And we're making you the Cape Codder. It's an old 80s style cocktail. That's kind of my generation. So, yeah, I'm getting up there. But yeah, they call it the Cape Codder, sometimes called the Cape Cod. To be honest, around my part of the country, most people order it at the bar just a vodka and cranberry. Let me show you how to make this. Very simple, guys. We'll start off with just our Collins glass filled with ice. We'll pour 2 ounces of vodka and just top the glass with some cranberry juice. Go ahead and give this a gentle stir. I'm going to garnish this. Nice little cut there. Wedge of lime. Don't forget our straw. The Cape Codder. Cheers to you guys. That is a perfect blend, I'll be honest with you. Vodka and cranberry. Got a little bit of the tartness from the cranberry. It's got that bite from the vodka and a little taste of that lime there, which always goes well. The lime is almost always served with the Cape Codder. Around, like I said, around here they just call it order a vodka and cranberry. The origination is called the Cape Codder, sometimes called the Cape Cod. Guys, thank you so much. Tasty drink. A lot of people attribute this to a summertime drink, but I personally believe it's good year-round. So, guys, thanks so much. Please like this video if you like it. Helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And hit that little bell down there. It will notify you every time I have a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.